It's past a week. Who's pumped? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Be a part of the notification. Scrolling down through my list of pasta for past a week, you guys requested ravioli. Well, I've seen a lot of pasta suggestion, but ravioli caught my eye. So tonight, ravioli. My twist and take on it. Don't blink. Let's start off with our meat sauce. So 2 tablespoons of olive oil going in. I'm gonna press in 1 teaspoon of garlic. Got that nice and sauteed. 2 cups of mushed carrots. Once I got my carrots nice and sauteed, I'm gonna push this to the side. I got 2 pounds of ground pork here, which I'm just gonna brown. I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon of salt, fresh cracked pepper, and I'm gonna go in with some smoked paprika, guys. Maybe 1 teaspoon of this going in. 2 cans of canned tomato puree going in. A lot of you guys ask why I put sugar in my tomato sauce. Just because this tomato sauce here, guys, the tomato sauce I buy from Great Value is very tart. So it's not like the brands you guys buy where the tomato is already naturally sweet. This is the reason why I've added in the sugar, guys. So 1 tablespoon of it, just to help break down that tartness or acidity. A pinch of basil and a pinch of oregano. That's it, guys. Let this sit for 1 to 2 hours on a medium-low heat. It's our pasta. So we got 2 cups of flour. We're gonna make a well. We're gonna crack in 3 eggs. I know, guys, I know some of you guys use egg yolk, but I enjoy using it whole. A pinch of salt. Nothing to this, guys. We're just gonna stir this, pull in some flour, stir this, pull in some flour until you get a nice hard dough. Always look for a nice hard dough when you're making pasta. Once you got your dough nice and crumbly like this, don't be scared, guys, to add in 1 tablespoon at a time. So just like yesterday, I've added in 2 tablespoons. Maybe today, I don't know. Just go by feel, guys. Add in 2, guys. We're just gonna knead this until it turns into a nice smooth hard dough. Once you got it nice and smooth like this, guys, we're just gonna throw it in the fridge for 1 hour. Let's make our cheese filling, our ricotta filling. So I got 800 grams of ricotta cheese right here. Go in with 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. We're just gonna crack in 1 egg, guys. Mix that in. Time to roll out some ravioli. 1 hour in, throw some flour down. Take our pasta dough here. We're just gonna flatten this out. I'll flour this up a little bit more. This is where all my haters are coming from. They always say this is fake and they always hold a grudge against this. All we're gonna do, watch closely, guys, karate chop this into 4. If that wasn't real, I don't know what is, guys. Take one of our karate chop pieces. We're just gonna roll this out into, I don't know, just a nice little flat piece. Again, guys, we have 7 dials. So we're gonna pass it through 7, 6, and we're gonna get it down to the 2nd dial and 2. Once you got that nice and rolled out, shoot this up with some flour, front and back, not so much. Once you got that nice and flattened out, we're gonna take our ricotta cheese. I'm gonna place it down, guys. Maybe just 1 tablespoon of this, or more if you want. Not so far apart, maybe 2 fingers between each other. And take my egg wash. I'm gonna egg wash on the bottom here, on the side here. Once you got that nice egg wash, nothing to it, guys. Fold it over. Once you got that nice and folded over, we're just gonna gently, guys, gently karate chop this. You don't want to cut right through it, right? So just gently karate chop through this. I'm gonna press the bottom here as well. Try to get as much air out as possible. I got this thing here, guys. I don't know where I found it, but it came with the pasta roller, and I kind of broke the tool just to make this thing right here. So all I'm gonna do, take this and just pretty much cut it. I'll flatten this a bit. You guys don't need this. You guys can just use a knife. This just gives it a nice little design. So once you got that nice and cut it out, I'm gonna take my chopstick and I'm just gonna roll it, guys, just to actually seal the edges. So when we boil it, it does not seep out. So this is just a insurance of it. Got it nice and filled in, guys. I got my water boiling. I got a saucepan here, which I'm just gonna take some of my meat sauce. I'm just gonna heat up. Our water's boiling. Nothing to it, guys. Everybody in the pool. I don't care if you can swim. Just get in. Cook out. Cooking time. 1 minute, guys. 1 to 2 minutes up. Nothing to it, guys. Everybody into the meat sauce. I'm just gonna let everybody get comfortable in my meat sauce here. So 30 seconds stewing, just to let everybody get to know each other. 30 seconds up, we're just gonna toss out our ravioli onto our big platter here. I'm just gonna do the sauce in the back there. Moment of silence, please, for this beautiful cheese dandruff. You gotta love cheese dandruff. Or how Italians like to call it, Parmesan. My bad, guys. Parmigiano. Lastly, some fresh parsley. And that's it, guys. Fresh plate of ravioli pasta filled with ricotta cheese and topped with our meat sauce, guys. When you guys come by, let's set up a plate of ravioli pasta. So my plate. Just perfect, guys. Let's do 4 for now. A little more of that meat sauce on top. You know this is gonna be bombs, guys. Move this plate. Another moment of silence, please. For this cheese dandruff, or Parmigiano, or Parmesan, however. Before we cut into this, guys, let me ask you guys, what is your favorite pasta dish? It may be featured this week, because this week is pasta week. All right, coming closer, guys. Maybe I filled this plate up too much, guys. Let's cut into one. Oh, guys, ricotta cheese and that meat sauce on top. You know what? I'm not gonna cut this anymore. I'm just gonna pop this in your mouth, guys. Take the first bite of this. Quick time. The best ravioli you guys will ever pop in your mouth. I promise you. You guys got it? Nice. I'm pumped. It's just perfect. I want some more of that meat sauce on top, though. Let me say this. Well, let me ask you guys this. Do you guys even know what love is? Come on. Second bite of this. Quick time. Let's go. Nice. That's a beautiful thing right there. Nothing beats homemade though. Nothing. Katie, the brat's up. That's love. I'm gonna tell you guys, this is love. Good morning. Katie, come say hi. Good morning. How's your sleep? Huh? How's your sleep? Good? You little brat. This girl is such a brat, guys. Right? Right? You little brat. Let me ask you guys, what is better? Pasta week or Shark Week? Before you guys answer, a moment of silence, please. That's beautiful. That is love, my friend. This right here is love. Do you know what I want to try next time? Deep frying this. Mmm. It might come out good. It might not. I don't know. Here's the thing. Maybe I need the batter on this just to make it really tasty. Or maybe fresh pasta will fry it well. You know what I'm gonna look out for? Some truffles. I have never in my life ever had a truffle before. I had a truffle chocolate before. But never the real deal. If I can't find it, I might be able to find truffle oil. It may be the same thing, I'm not even sure. Maybe less of the taste. But I'll find it. I just want to shave some off and just eat it on the spot. Does it just taste like a mushroom? To the ones that have tried mushroom truffles, what does it taste like? I'm thinking just a mushroom just because it is a mushroom, right? A very expensive mushroom. The most beautifulest thing ever. Food and life is such a beautiful thing, don't you think? Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick out one of your bomb shirts or Food and Life's a Beautiful Thing shirts. Like this shirtless. Peace out.